we provide two PDF documents that detail the lessons we offer in our lesson library. The first document is the Scope and Sequence, which organizes lessons according to our default curriculum. The second document is the Lesson List, which organizes the lessons according to theme. Here is our Scope and Sequence for high school, and here is our Lesson List for high school. Although these two documents are organized differently, they both contain the same lessons. In the Scope and Sequence, lessons are organized into our default curriculum. We have selected and scheduled the lessons for our default curriculum according to the expertise of our curriculum developers and our clients. You can use the default curriculum as a guide when creating and scheduling assignments in your suite360 program. Of course, you can also assign any lesson in the lesson library for any student at any time, as well as create a custom assignment schedule based on the needs of your school. You can download either the Scope and Sequence or the Lesson List on the Downloads page of the client portal. On this Downloads page, you will find a Scope and Sequence and a Lesson List for each school level, from early elementary to high school. Both the Scope and Sequence and the Lesson List will download as a PDF. Each lesson is organized under a general theme, such as social media use or substance abuse. For each theme, Suite360 offers different lessons to scaffold the learning grade by grade. So for the theme Academic and Study Skills, for example, 7th graders will learn about long-term goal setting, and 8th graders will build on this skill by learning how to ask for help when they need it. Refer to the grade column to see the grade for which the lesson is intended, and the topic column to see which specific topics are covered in the lesson. Each lesson in our library is actually a sequence of individual activities. The activities column indicates how many activities are in the lesson. The time column is the total time to completion for the entire lesson. You can easily find each lesson in your Suite360 program by using the lesson ID from either the Scope and Sequence or the Lesson List as a reference. For example, if you wanted to find the lesson Mastering Long-Term Projects in your Suite360 program, you would open Suite360, navigate to the lesson library, and enter in the following ID in the search field. We will periodically update both the Scope and Sequence and the Lesson List as we add new lessons to your Suite360 program.